Good day, this is John. Did you see that? I already put all my equipment into the server rack. Actually, this is not called a server rack, this is like my multi-purpose rack, because I combine all my equipment into the rack one. So let's head up. This is the bigger one. This is my Cisco 2900 series router. The gigabyte 10/1 is connected to the switch. This is the 0/1. This is my Cisco 3550 level 2 switch. This board I use for the Air emulator. This is my test lab. And this is my power supply, but I'm facing a problem. You see, I cannot fix two. I think this is designed for the smaller one. So before you buy this type of power socket on the red one, make sure the side is fit for your adapter. And next one, this is my Optiplex Virtual Machine, my NAS, and my Raspberry Pi controller. So I was facing few problems for the Cisco AP. I do not have the power over internet, so this time I still not able to power out this. And my Cisco phone should be work fine. I have the adapter. So that's this one. My smaller router 1841. This one actually I plan to put in on the rack, but I don't have the wall mount, so I just put on the desk here. This one is quite old, but this is okay for my testing purpose. And my smaller unmanaged Cisco switch. Now this is my home lab. I consider home lab. And thanks for watching. If you have any problem or question or any suggestion, you may leave in the comment below. Thanks and bye.